नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 21 and text 22 of chapter 9. Brahma's prayers for creative energy of third canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 21. Yannabhi padma bhavanad hamasamidya लोकत्रयोप करणो यदनुग्रहेण तस्मै नमस्त उदरस्थ भवाय योग निद्रावसान विकसन नलिने क्षणाय. O object of my worship, I am born from the house of your lotus navel for the purpose of creating the universe. By your mercy, all these planets of the universe were stationed within your transcendental abdomen while you were enjoying sleep. Now your sleep having ended, your eyes are open like blossoming lotuses in the morning. Brahma is teaching in the beginning of Archana regulations from morning 4 o'clock to night 10 o'clock. Early in the morning, the devotee has to rise from his bed and pray to the Lord, and there are other regulative principles for offering Mangala Arti early in the morning. Foolish non-devotees, not understanding the importance of Archana, criticize the regulative principles, but they have no eyes to see that the Lord also sleeps by his own will. The impersonal conception of the Supreme is so detrimental to the path of devotional service that it is very difficult to associate it with the stubborn non-devotees who always think in terms of material conceptions. Impersonalists always think backwards. They think that because in matter there is form, spirit should be formless. Because in matter there is sleep, in spirit there cannot be sleep. And sleeping of the deity is accepted as Archana worship. Therefore, the Archana is Maya according to them. All these thoughts are basically material. To think either positively or negatively is still thinking materially. Knowledge accepted from the superior source of the Vedas is standard. Here in these verses of the Srimad Bhagavatam, we find that Archana is recommended. Before Brahma took up the task of creation, he found the Lord sleeping on the serpent bed in the waves of the water of devastation. Therefore, sleeping exists in the eternal potency of the Lord, and this is not denied by pure devotees of the Lord like Brahma and his disciplic succession. It is clearly said here that the Lord slept very happily within the violent waves of the water, manifesting thereby that he is able to do anything and everything by his transcendental will and not be hampered by any circumstances. The Mayavadi cannot think beyond this material experience, and thus he denies the Lord's ability to sleep within the water. His mistake is that he compares the Lord to himself, and that comparison is also a material thought. The whole philosophy of the Mayavad school, based on not this, not that, neti neti, is basically material. Such thoughts cannot give one the chance to know the Supreme Personality of Godhead as he is. Text 22. So ayam samasta jagatam surudeka atma सत्वेन यनमृडयते भगवान भगेन तेनैव मे दृशमनु स्पृशताद यथाहं स्रक्ष्यामि पूर्ववदिदं प्रणत प्रियो असौ. Let the Supreme Lord be merciful towards me. He is the one friend and soul of all living entities in the world and maintains all for their ultimate happiness by 6 transcendental opulences. May he be merciful towards me, so that I, as before, may be empowered with the introspection to create. For I am also one of the surrendered souls who are dear to the Lord. The Supreme Lord Purushottama or Shri Krishna is the maintainer of all in both the transcendental and material worlds. He is the life and friend of all, because there is eternally natural affection and love between the living entities and the Lord. He is the one friend and well-wisher for all, and he is one without a second. The Lord maintains all the living entities everywhere by 6 transcendental opulences for which he is known as Bhagwan or the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Lord Brahma prayed for his mercy so that he might be able to create the universal affairs as he did before. Only by the Lord's causeless mercy could he create both material and spiritual personalities like Marichi and Narad respectively. Brahma prayed to the Lord because he is very much dear to the surrendered soul. The surrendered soul knows nothing but the Lord, and therefore the Lord is very affectionate towards him. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.